are you grateful for? Please start with me. Hello everybody. I'm Miki.
I'm Gabriela.
So today we will share about gratitude. Yes. And here is one very short but it's really nice quote. It says, if you are grateful for your life, life will always spring up and flow through you. I like this one.
Full of life.
Yes.
Be full of life.
Exactly. I have my laptop desktop wallpaper, yeah. So it means like no matter what happens in your life, if you can be grateful, or at least if you can find some perspective that you can be grateful, some part that you can be grateful, then any situation you can solve, you know, and then like life spring up and then flow through you. It's very smoothly you can solve probably. So that's why I wanted to talk about gratitude today. So I want to ask you, Gabriela, what are you grateful for?
I had a lot of time to reflect on my life and try to see what is a good opportunity to be happy, like what I can be happy about in my life. And my conclusion from the last years is that I'm very grateful for my hardships, for the difficult moments in my life, and for the people that pushed me in the challenging and difficult moments, because this helped me grow and have more control on my feelings, my attitude, my life, and I think I became more mature through these experiences. And because I had hardships that willingly or unwillingly I was in that situation, this helped me acquire some abilities to control myself, control my life, and be more confident, be more stable, and know exactly what direction I want to go. And this is something I'm very grateful for. And looking back at that time, I can really be grateful and enthusiastic about what is coming and take everything positively. I've been through difficult situations, but hey, I made it, so I can keep going and everything is going to be okay. Yeah, I'm very grateful for this.
Nice. Thank you for the question. I was, since I decided to talk about this topic, I was thinking about it. But what I'm grateful for the most, we have more, right? But what is the most is that people who I met until now, like not necessarily only let's say nice and friendly people with you, but anybody that who I met until now in my life, I could learn a lot of things from each people or from each situation with relationship with these people. I got so much lessons, and let's say I could grow mature in a way, yeah. So this is I got this answer while I was thinking about this, what I'm grateful for. So surely you have each of you have different types of situation or different types of relationship or different kind of life, yeah. But if we can find something that you can be grateful in everyday life, our life will be much more, let's say, feeling more free or
worth living.
Yeah, exactly. So we really want to encourage you to think about what are you grateful for in this chance, and we will come back again next week with another subject. So have a beautiful week. Take care. Bye.
Bye.